you create a shadow right below your bones to make it look like you have those bones. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Aaliya and today I'll be showing you how to contour and conceal your face. Now the thing is, with contouring, it is perceived to be a very tricky process. Now honestly speaking, it isn't. It's not very hard. It's kind of easy. It's just you have to follow the steps that I'm going to be telling you and you will have yourself a chiseled egg face in no time. Now, first things first, you need to understand how contouring works. The whole logic behind it is that you create a shadow right below your bones to make it look like you have those bones. Now for that, you could use a cool toned concealer. You could use a foundation just 2 to 3 shades darker than your own skin tone, or you could use a contour palette. If you're new to makeup and contouring and everything, I would suggest you go for a powder contour. You should start with a powder, but that's completely your choice. Just because you're a beginner, it should not discourage you from using a cream product or a liquid product. I was saying powder just because it's easy to control and manipulate, but I'm going to be showing you how to use a powder as well as a cream as well as a stick. So if you want to know how I do all of that, let's just dive right into the video. On one side I'll be using the stick, on the other side I'll be using that Aaliya Girl Pro Conceal concealer, and I will be blending it with a fan brush, a stippling brush, a beauty blender. Right below my cheekbone and right below my jaw here. Okay, the tiniest bit over here because I have the weirdest hairline ever, so just to make all of it look even. The trick is to blend upwards. If you blend downwards, it's going to look like your face is falling off. You don't want that. Pull, place the brush on top of the contour and just blend it upward, circular strokes. Now, this is the one on your cheekbone. Now, on your jawbone, you want it to blend exactly where it is. And if there has to be any up and down, it has to go up, not down. Okay, and I'm just blending it into my hairline. You can see this is all done. Now on this side, we're going to use that creamy. Okay, now is the tiniest bit. Just the tiniest bit. Pull it up and start blending upward. Honestly speaking, I prefer blending my contour with a brush. It just gives me more control. Whatever's left on the blender, I'm going to bring it inside. Let's come to the part which I think everyone's waiting for, and that's contouring your nose. To draw 2 lines. The closer the lines are, the thinner your nose is going to look, and the farther they're away, the thicker it looks. So that's that. Now just imagine you're connecting it to the edge of your eyebrow. You can actually connect it, I don't. Now, to blend the nose, using an eyeshadow blending brush. It's fluffy, but it's not too fluffy. I can control the product I'm blending. You just want to blend where you've placed the contour. In with the blender. Now we're going to put concealer. Shit, this is really creepy. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score.
Okay, I'm just gonna take this side of the blender just to pick up anything extra.
So, what's under this outer smile? We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
Set all of this in place, and I'm using a setting powder using my blender.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
I feel the need to bake because I have really oily skin. You don't have to bake if you don't have oily skin. If you have dry skin, or even if you have oily skin and you just don't want, you know, because too much baking can lead to dryness. So if you don't want that feeling, then you don't have to bake. I'm not baking this part because that's not the earliest. It is actually all of this. If you want, you can chisel this part out using some setting powder. I don't usually do this when I'm contouring because it makes my face look broader. But I'm just showing it to you guys because, hell, it's a part of the procedure. Now, you could use the rest of the time to do your eyes or your lips. I'm just gonna do my eyes.
One eternity later.
And I guess that's enough. I'm going to dust off all of this powder and I'm going to take it downwards.
Just so I set the rest of the face with it as well.
This one by e.l.f. I'm absolutely obsessed with this one. I'm going to use this shade over here because it's not that dense, it's kind of fluffy. So when I put it, it's easier to blend. The product displacement is everywhere. So just put it where you put the cream contour.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Okay guys, so now I'm back with the rest of my makeup done. And as you can see, this egg face is finally a chiseled egg face. So that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what all other makeup looks or other tips and tricks you want from me. I will make a video for those as well. If you want to listen to another cover song, tell me about that as well in the comment section down below. And that's it, it's a wrap.